Everybody getting tatted. Look at that. Vic, you gotta get one, Vic.
What?
You gotta get one. Come on, bro.
I already got one.
It's gonna be my first tat, and it's big. It's on my chest.
It's not that big.
It's gonna be like your palm.
It's not that big. It's not that big. But
I guess we're gonna see how it goes.
He's gonna try.
I hope not. JT, you gotta get one too.
Alex, are you of age to be getting this? First
Yeah.
Second of all, are you ready for the pain?
Yeah. Well, not really, but yeah.
Telling your parents, telling your parents, we
Why?
don't agree with this.
You're gonna drive an hour away now? He's gonna get drastic on his neck. I'm not ready. Let me see.
Let me go right there. Let's see how it goes.
I'm so proud of you, bro.
Wow, there is that chill.
If you die, can I have your truck?
No, you can't have my truck.
Bro, I did it. This is a lot better, bro. Trust me.
Oh, bro.
No regrets. How about that? You have no regrets?
Nah.
Party, cuz. 1 to 10.
His mama gonna beat his ass.
How's it feel so far?
It's like an 8 right now.
That shit gonna be itchy.
It was straight when it started, but like when it goes further up by my bone, that's when it hurts a bit more. It stings more.
So I want a Cuban link necklace so I can rock it and not get robbed.
What are we getting over here?
Cuban link like this, the necklace, but
What's she getting?
it's the lightning on it.
Oh, for the lightning?
Bruh, I already know I'm gonna be addicted to this shit. I'm gonna want more. I'm gonna want more.
Is that your first one?
So it's a few days after. Here's the tattoo. I'll let you with the lighting. And it was $20. And we got my boy Aaron.
It says Van Dyke. That's a big
So
ass box,
Aaron
dog.
is carrying my splitter for the truck.
Bro, that's a
That's
big
what
ass
it
box,
is.
dog.
I know it is.
Bro, I'm 6 feet, bro. Look how far this shit is.
So let me show you. So we gotta drill a new hole for this because I ripped it off on what is that thing called, Aaron? The bump stops, where you park. There's Lucas. The bump stop. So we gotta put a new hole because it ripped. Put it right there. And we're gonna take this bottom piece off, and that's where that splitter goes. So he already pulled something out of it. This is the splitter we're putting on. Damn, bro. This is gonna look sick. It's gonna be right there underneath. It's gonna make the truck look way lower. Even though it's already low. Yeah, it's gonna go underneath.
Is it the bottom or the top?
I think it's both, bro. Like the other side is it's the same.
Oh, yeah.
What we could do is look for like one small defect and put that towards the bottom. If you want to do it that way.
Oh.
Yeah, that little defect right there, I want to... This piece right here, it's a little defect, but it's nothing serious. We'll have it facing downwards.
Yeah, we'll have this side up.
Yeah, we'll have this side up. So we got to drill some holes, and then we got the tie rods, which are going to... I think they bolt on... We make a hole right here. And it'll hold the splitter too, or for support, whatever. And we're gonna put that on, but this is from KNG Wraps. I just searched up 2016 Silverado splitter, and then I found KNG Wraps. Shout out to them. I'll let you guys see how it looks, and if you guys want to order your own for your truck, they make. I think they just make this year, and they make cars, but it's this year, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So we tried putting it through the front, but it's too low, so we have to do it from the side. I'm gonna put it on the frame and probably put a block there.
Wow, very hard.
You got it? It's a lot of clips and bolts. You got it. I was. Dang, dog, you just scratched my paint. Now we're gonna line it up on this and drill. Alright, so we already marked with the Sharpie. And we're trying to find the drill bit that goes in so we can put the bolts in. Is this small?
Yeah.
Look at my front end. Damn, good. That one's bigger than the other one?
Yeah.
That one might be it, bro. Yeah, that one's it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now we didn't have to go to the store.
For real.
Saved us a trip to the store. So we got the holes in. As you can see all the way over there. All we got to do is grab that bumper piece over there, the upper valence, line it up again, and put the bolts. And then it's ready to go back on the truck. And we'll just throw away the other one, the lower one. Not really recording a lot because I'm helping.
For the first time?
Shut up. Because I got to vlog, shit. We got all these in.
Okay.
And then this is going to connect to the, all those on top. It's going to connect to the bumper.
Why do they make it so complicated?
Alright, y'all, so it got late. So y'all can see it's dark. We got my boy Aaron. He's going to jack up the truck again. We took the Mustang out so he could fit the truck in. And that's how it's looking without the bumper. It doesn't even look low anymore. So this is how the bumper is looking. So you can see we put the splitter on.
Put your emergency brake on?
Alright, we put the splitter on and put the tie rods on. And now all we gotta do is put the bumper back. And then we'll be done. Right. So we've been on this for like 3 hours. And he's about to lower it. So let's see how it looks. Do it slowly, remember? Okay, the tire. Nah, wait. That's all the way down?
Yeah.
But shit. I need more load, dog.
It looks good.
It looks good though. Damn, that shit look good, bro. From the side. Yeah, I can see it better right there. So I give this splitter, what are you saying, like an 8, 7? I don't think, it's not a 10.
What?
I'm really happy with the splitter. The only thing that really held us back was the drilling. Because we had to take off the whole upper valence, and where the holes are that connected to the lower valence, we had to line it up on the splitter, and we had to drill our own holes. Which, I mean,
The drilling wasn't too bad.
yeah, the drilling wasn't bad, but
Lighting it up.
I'd expect the splitter to come with the holes already in, drilled in, and then we just line it up and throw it in. But I mean, we still did it, as you can see. So I do miss the other one a little bit, only because it made my truck look lower. As you can see, that's probably like, I would say 3 inches from the ground.
It's a whole foot, bro.
That's the whole foot? Yeah, it's the whole foot.
No,
now.
it's like 8 inches down.
8? Damn, dog. I was trying to make myself feel better, bro.
I would fall, nigga.
That's the company right there. If y'all want to order it, KNG Wraps. No, I'm not sponsored. If y'all want to sponsor me though, for my builds, then y'all know where to find me,
my truck
bro.
too. My truck kind of needs one too.
Sponsor my boy's truck.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, so I'll show you guys how it looks in the morning. You can't really see how it looks right now. But tomorrow I gotta wash this thing and get it ready for my boy's music video. But that'll be tomorrow. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. I just finished the truck with the splitter last night, and I just washed it. So I'm gonna show you guys the end result of the truck.
is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong.
Alright guys, so that's how it's looking. If you guys do want to get this splitter for your I think it's just 2016 to 2018 Silverado, go on kngraps.com and they have this splitter available. Like I said, I give it like an 8 out of 10. The only reason for that is because we had to drill our own layout, but you know, it wasn't hard. It's just, I just figured it would be, you know, already drilled in and we just lined it up and put it on, but no worries. It still came out pretty sick. The only thing, well, this is on me, the only thing I don't really like is that it looks a little bit higher, which it's not because it's really low. But I guess it's good because it gives me more clearance when I turn. But that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.